welcome everyone to another mini round, I did the HX mini round a few days ago, But this is another cracked mini round, which means there's like a lot of rules. But it's less popular, as you can see. No offense to anyone. Oh god.
No, I was just getting my kit and somebody stole the boots.
Oh, we have a boot stealer.
Whoever took the boots, can you just return them?
Don't be a meanie. Well, bro, it wasn't me.
I was just loading my crossbow.
What?
Oh, we know we do have food.
Attack, kill him.
It's actually crazy. Okay, shit, so this is the first boogie roll. Let's go.
It's gonna cost you. It's gonna cost you.
Rainbow, get in my
It's gonna cost you.
Oh, this is perfect, bro.
It's a
Oh,
no.
that's perfect.
Yeah,
Dude, give the boots.
I was trying to get my boots back.
it's gonna.
Boots
Can you not?
Give me my boots.
Okay. I'll stop.
Okay, so yeah.
Give the boots to your / kill. How about that?
Watch out.
Beatles, no!
Okay, Vadu.
Sir, you killed him! You killed him! Why?
No, I'm self-defending ninja.
I'm sorry.
Can you?
Wisk.
No, you're getting refunded, Vadu.
I don't care.
Guys, what? I'm so confused.
Alright, I'll
Wait.
kill.
The hot potato timers are going off. The hot potato timers are going off.
Thanks for letting me know.
Or at least, or I'm lagging. I don't know. Wait, how did you die? Wait, wait, you didn't die yet, yeah.
Oh, really? Well, live stream. We're doing this now. We're doing this now.
Is he AFK? Is he not playing?
That was actually doing more damage than I should have.
What? No, did it?
This? Wait, let me see.
Okay. Whoa!
I need
I
to
was
see the
real.
full effect.
Yeah.
Then he goes card as well. Then we both die. That'd be so sad.
I'm so fast.
That's sad. That's so.
Bro, wait. Chill out. Chill the hell out. Chill out. I'm checking chat. I'm checking chat right now.
I want a PvP like this.
Wait, live. Why did you get live? Why'd you get refunded? Why'd you get refunded? I didn't.
So King, if I'm gonna take your food this round, I'm not giving them back. You hear
Wait,
me?
guys, why did live get refunded but I didn't? Cause we both died of like the same explosion.
No, I gave him a life.
Oh, I see.
Silly uses. Last thing's the last part. It's a man. Live swing, run.
No! Oh god.
Who the heck did that?
Run killed him.
It was either me or someone else.
Unknown.
Joe.
Unknown, how'd you die?
I killed him.
I carded him. I killed him.
You killed him.
I did this.
Okay,
That hit me, he's dead. Oh wait, no, I have respawn.
No.
See, I didn't have
Did you Foster just die or?
Wisk.
You've been from down the wall, yeah.
Wisk, I did.
You've respawned me under.
So,
I'm using replay mod Rainbow, so what I said up to you before round, I have recorded.
I'm just trying to eat some food, man.
guys, I'm not.
Yeah, well, I'm gonna
Just,
caught you. You ready?
holding a cart in my hand.
No.
Oh. No! God damn it.
Yeah, we know.
Leave me alone. I'm not resistant, I think. You guys both have resistant.
Brother, if you're yellow, I will self-defend it. Oh wait, actually pause for some wait, function.
Okay.
A little bit louder now.
Make sure. Okay. I'm gonna make sure that the thing is
No, who even has potatoes?
I told you about the round started.
Are you like assassin or something?
You'll see.
I don't think I will.
Oh, that's actually
I
crazy.
can't even
Where's
You got so
Stop doxing me, live spring.
No, I'm trying to self-defend.
I'm sorry, you're dead.
No! Okay, I have to,
Steam him.
I'm busy right now, so.
They're bringing Luminas.
They breaking. They're not
But if
doing
you
that.
just he tried calling you.
They're breaking, come here. They're breaking, come here. They're breaking. They're breaking. They're breaking, come here. We need to have a serious talk about what you did to that man. You killed a man.
This is evil.
I know. I love.
I know, I'm coming in a minute.
They're breaking.
Speaking of which,
You have like less than a minute.
I have invincibility, so.
Wisk, I'm stop pinning it, bro. Stop pinning it.
Everyone's up. I see you guys.
Stop running.
I see you
Stop
guys.
running.
I don't want Wisk to be red though, so.
I'm so sorry. I'm so sorry.
Oh, dang it!
Live, I'm so sorry.
Stop it. What?
Kill,
No.
Oh, okay. I did
I'm
that.
so
That's good.
sorry. Live, I'm so sorry. I'm so sorry.
I almost forget this, yeah. I have to. I'm pretty much have to go IRL, so.
Oh.
Mean?
You have to be
Chocolate.
Oh, never mind. Don't you!
Goodbye.
Hey guys.
That was pretty fast.
Always been you killing me.
I'm sorry! I'm sorry! I have to! I have to!
Cheating. Yeah, protect.
Wait, are you have protection? Oh god, damn it.
Flash good.
Yes! Yes! Let's go! No! Oh! That was crazy. That was crazy. That was crazy. Assassin. Well, see you guys later. You guys are the funny thing, right? Because immediately after that, I was in another Tikam10 Mini round, you know. The guy was just in too lazy to add a photo, also I don't know how to. But I got 6th. You see this? I don't have a sign on me, but 6th. After canarying, that's the most hilarious thing. Well, see you guys later. Good night. Love you.